Today I am going to discuss Krebs cycle of respiration. Pyruvic acid produced in glycolysis is oxidized completely by the oxygen of the air, stepwise in cyclic order, and produces CO2 and H2O. The stepwise reactions were worked out by Krebs in 1937. This pathway of oxidation of pyruvic acid is known as Krebs cycle. This pathway is also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle, PCA cycle, or citric acid cycle. Acetyl coenzyme A is the connecting link between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Acetyl coenzyme A combines with oxaloacetic acid, a 4-carbon dicarboxylic acid, under the influence of a condensing enzyme citrate synthase to form a 6-carbon tricarboxylic acid called citric acid. Citric acid then undergoes stepwise degradation until oxaloacetic acid is regenerated. Citric acid undergoes dehydration producing cis-aconitic acid under catalytic enzyme aconitase. Cis-aconitic acid by hydration in presence of catalytic enzyme aconitase formed isocitric acid. Isocitric acid undergoes dehydrogenation in presence of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase, which involves coenzyme NAD forming oxalosuccinic acid. Coenzyme NAD reduces to NADH plus H plus. Oxalosuccinic acid under decarboxylation converts into alpha-ketoglutaric acid with the release of one molecule of CO2 in presence of the same coenzyme isocitric dehydrogenase. Alpha-ketoglutaric acid reacts with coenzyme A and NAD in presence of alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and under decarboxylation and dehydrogenation produces succinyl coenzyme A, CO2 and NADH plus H plus. Succinyl coenzyme A undergoes a series of complex reactions in presence of cofactor and gives succinic acid. Release coenzyme A. One molecule of ATP is generated in this reaction. Succinic acid is oxidized to fumaric acid under the influence of succinic dehydrogenase in presence of coenzyme FAD, which is reduced to FADH2. Fumaric acid is hydrated by the addition of one molecule of water in presence of enzyme fumarase to form malic acid. Finally, malic acid is oxidized to regenerate oxaloacetic acid by the enzyme malic dehydrogenase and coenzyme NAD. In this way, the Krebs cycle completes with generation of oxaloacetic acid, which combines with another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A to form citric acid. After the completion of complete oxidation of 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, 6 molecules of CO2, 12 molecules of H2O and 30 molecules of ATP are produced. 8 molecules of ATP were present previously. At the end, the total number of ATP becomes 38. Thank you.